Bonjour, bonjour. Today we'll see the difference between endroit, lieu, et place. Endroit refers to a limited or definite space belonging to a larger part or whole. In simple words, a part of a very large space. For example, à quel endroit sur la table? Second one is lieu. Lieu refers to a space that we use or to talk about an event. It's very precise and mostly uses de. So it becomes lieu de. For example, quel est votre lieu de naissance? Il ne faut pas manger sur le lieu de travail. Third, it's place. Place shows the extent of an occupied space or to talk about the site which is intended to be occupied. For example, j'ai rangé mes livres à leur place. À leur place. So that's it. These were the differences. Very tiny differences, but you should be careful about these. I hope you got it. Bye bye.